Hey diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. If you clicked on this video, then you're interested in starting your lip gloss business. You may be wondering, what supplies do I need for my business? How can I market my business? And how can I save money? Don't worry, you're not alone. By the end of this video, you'll know what supplies you need, how to market your business, and how to save money. Before I start this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. In this video, we're gonna go over supplies you'll need for your business, marketing, and how to save money. All products mentioned in this video will be listed in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. So I'm also gonna be looking down at my phone for information because I took notes because I didn't want to forget anything. I did some Googling and I find that there are a few basic products that you need to start your lip gloss business. I'm also going to give you information on where you can purchase these. Most of these products are found on Amazon, and then there is also a beauty website that you can get these products from as well. So the items are listed: Versagel, which is a gloss base, powder, lip gloss containers, flavoring, 60 milliliter syringe, plastic pipettes, bags or boxes. So now with marketing, when you start your business, you want to differentiate your business from the rest of all the 100 other lip gloss businesses. What you don't want to do is just to put your lip gloss in a container and not have your logo, your name, or anything. So often I see people sending out lip glosses without any name, any logo, anything on the container. It's good to market to your customers, catch their attention. Once you get your products, then that's when you want to get your custom logos to put on your products or your business cards. So basically you want to take your business seriously so other people can too. So I'm actually going to extend my services out to all those lip gloss businesses. If you need logo stickers for containers, tubes, or jars, I actually do custom logo stickers. If you're interested, I'll leave my email right here on the screen so you all can email me. I'll send you my prices so we can get those custom stickers for your lip gloss business. On the screen now is just a few of my clients who have ordered custom logo stickers from me, and you can see that their products are very eye-catching, very cute. They get creative and add stuff to their products. It opens up creativity when you know that this product is yours, and your customers love the effort as well. Last but not least, how to save money in your business. As a business owner, you want to keep track of your product cost and how much it costs to ship out your products. You also want to look at the market and see on average how much the product that you're selling costs. So you want overpriced, and then once you do that, you want to price your item to where it's not too high for the market, where people will still come and buy your product, but you also want to be able to get a profit off of every purchase. So if you really want to save some extra money and you don't want too much money going out of your business, I actually have a template which looks like this, a template for your lip glosses, so you can create your lip gloss boxes. This is like a prototype that I did, but this is what the box will look like. And I can also put your logos on the boxes as well. This is what the front of the box will look like. But if you want your logo and more information about your products, so if you're interested in getting custom logo boxes for your lip gloss, you can also email me. Again, this is my email, and we can go over prices and I'll send you the invoices so we can get started. And that's how you can start your lip gloss business. I hope this video was very helpful. Again, if you're interested in doing custom logo stickers or custom box for your lip gloss. I also do one-on-one coaching sessions. If you have more specific questions about your business that I can't answer in the comment box below, go ahead and shoot me an email and let me know you want to do one-on-one